today we are having our van, the Beast, cleaned. We're in the process of putting it through to selling it privately. We'll do another vlog on that later in the week to show you the ins and outs of it. But we've got a very good friend of ours that we met with the Caravan and Motorhome Club, West Wales Centre, about 3 or 4 years ago when we first started out. His name is Paul Gallagher. He's the name of the business is called Gem Cleaning Services. He does professional cleaning for carpets, upholsteries, windows, caravans, gutters, conservatories, etc. It's really reliable and the prices are very good. So he's going to be doing our van today. So we'll see you a little bit later to tell you a little bit more about him and show a little bit of our van as well. We've got Paul Gallagher here today, Gem Cleaning Services. Say hello, Paul.
The dog.
Oh, babysit the dog. Hello, Bonzo. This is our Bonzo. Take a photo of Bonzo, make him famous. Come here. Boy, Bonzo, come here. Say hello. Say hello. Right, so Paul is doing our van. As you can see, it is absolutely filthy. It's been well used this year. Gem Cleaning Services. He's got all the equipment that's needed. He's got an extension floor. How long did he say that Paul will go for? 4 stories, I think it will, clean up to. And he's done all our guttering on the Pine End this morning as well. So we won't look inside yet because we are 3/4 of the way through emptying our van. It's amazing how much stuff that you actually store in the van, isn't it, love?
It is. How much stuff you store?
Well, how many pairs of shoes was it? 2?
2. Put 0 on that.
So Paul's giving it a good clean on top and then he's going to do the sides, the backs and the wheels. He's done inside on the skylights. What are you waving at now? What's that?
Friend.
You haven't got any friends? Yeah, but you can see it's really dirty on the inside as well. So there we go. See you in a bit. You can watch him in motion now. So tell us, Paul, you're going to clean it now. What are you going to use then?
This is Autoglyn Multi-Wash TFR, which is literally a degreaser.
Right.
Which helps break up all the dirt and grime from the roads and all that. So that's what we use. I have a copy of it, show it here.
And then what are you going to do with the foam?
So this is what we use. Autoglyn TFR Multi-Wash. Diluted to 14:1 ratio, and this little bottle has lasted me nearly 2.5 years.
Wow.
I haven't got much work on it, have
I tip some out just to make it look good.
No, you were saying earlier, Paul, you've been really busy this year, and you booked up until November now.
Yes, I am. It's doing well with the windows and gutters and caravan cleaning. A lot more carpet work at the moment. Cleaning
Really?
a lot of carpets. They want people want their carpets done for Christmas. They want them done for Santa to come, you know. So clean carpets for Santa.
Yes.
Paul, you are being filmed now. Mind, make sure you...
Oh, sorry.
Where'd you gone? Oh, there. You're behind the grid line on the
This is much better for you.
So basically, book early to avoid disappointment.
Book early to avoid disappointment.
It's looking cleaner.
What number can I get you on?
It's 07576 20 110.
It's an easy number to remember.
And that's my email address as well.
Lovely.
Do you find many people contact you through, what do they contact you mostly through, phone or?
Facebook.
Facebook, is it?
Mainly, all my customers are all been through Facebook. I haven't advertised for nearly a year. So people have just contacted me. Some people, I don't know how they contact me. I don't even know how they get my number half the time. I really don't. I think it's through a friend of a friend who knew a friend's former roommate who's used me before and has recommended me, which is great.
And Gem Cleaning Services, the name Gem, sorry, not Gem.
It's Gallagher, it's a G.
Yeah.
Name. My daughter is Ellie, so it's E, and N for Max. Julie wanted, I did say Jag, but she named Julie, so it would be J-E-M, but she said if she divorced me, I would have to change the van. So,
could divorce the
we
kids.
stuck, so Gallagher sticks, so yeah, we could divorce the kids if that's only at all possible. But this is a cracking caravan, motorhome for somebody, well looked after, lots of money spent on it.
Few parties in that,
Been
Paul.
a few parties in it. I might have fallen asleep in it a few times.
Yeah.
Don't mention the sick episode.
Don't mention the spick. I got out the door for that. I'm not saying that's why you put a new floor down, Dave, but
No.
No, somebody else, a friend. Do you remember Jackie?
yeah.
Jackie had an incident. We went down to the Beaufort Arms down there. Great pub stopover in the motorhome. They even asked us, they said, will your lead be long enough for electric? I was like, what? Brilliant time down there, but she only lived around the corner at the time, beginning of the year it was.
Yeah.
And yeah, she had a few too much, and she was sick in the bathroom, but it was in the bathroom, not the toilet.
Oh.
So she's banned from staying over now. Sorry, Jack.
We banned until the next time.
Until the next time, yeah.
So, but yeah, so we use a degreaser now to get rid of the any grime off the van. The pressure washer's there, but I'm not actually using it.
Right.
On a motorhome.
Yeah.
You're not supposed to.
Why?
It's because
It's so delicate, is it?
Yeah, it can break the seals. If you hit the side of the seals, then it can break the seals of a motorhome or a caravan. So we don't use it.
Hiya, you're right.
That's essential love and cleaning. That are very
Essential level cleaning.
who abuse us as they shout drive
Yeah,
past.
Andrew and Jan. Tank, as his friends know him as. So what's the foam stuff do then? You said
the
you're
snow
cleaning
foam.
this now, and then...
Okay. Yeah, a little bit later on now we're going to try a bit of what I call a snow foam, which is again by Autoglim, and basically what that does, it attracts any more dirt that I might have missed, and it then also repels dirt for up to a month.
Right, okay.
So it should sort of keep your caravan or motorhome clean for at least a month.
Basically, see 1 month.
Yeah.
You can get one for 2 months, but then you want repeat business.
Autoglim, other products are available.
Please send some for testing.
Yeah. There is one out there you can get for 3 months.
Right.
But I haven't tried that out yet, so I don't know what that's like.
Well, we're going to finish cleaning the inside of this today now as well, and then give a full run round of it, innit, dear?
Yeah.
Yeah. To see if there are any interested buyers out there, but it's seen us well over the last couple of years.
You've had some fun out of this.
I know. Some that you were involved in as well.
Yes, I've been involved in a lot of the fun. I'm just glad he's selling it and buying another one and not just selling it and giving it.
No, I know. We had itchy feet yesterday, didn't we? Because I think it's Elvis, what's it called?
Elvis Festival this weekend.
Elvis Festival this week in Port Call. And David did turn around and say yesterday, should we go? And I said, it's taken me...
Still seeing it.
Yeah, it's taken 3 days to empty the van. It's still not emptied. They're not filling it back up again.
That's all you need is wine, pair of pants, pair of socks,
And a sleeping bag.
and a sleeping bag.
What about my shoes? What about my shoes?
Don't get a blue suede shoes.